thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thank you for taking a few minutes out of your day to hang out with me. Today's video, we are unboxing the GLITZGLAMBOX for February, and I must say I am very impressed with their customer service, and I'll explain why later on in this video. But girl, they are doing it right. I will link my GLITZGLAMBOX playlist to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. This is what the inside looks like. We have our card. Ooh. This is the first item. This is by LASH. This is the lip makeup bag, and it retails for $6.99. This is so cute. And on the front it says, stay beautiful. This looks like it'd be a nice travel bag, maybe just to store my brushes or eye makeup. I don't really pack face makeup when I travel, or just displaying it in the beauty room because it's just so adorable. And it feels really nice too. And here we have the rest of our goodies. This is by Vermillion Cosmetics. It's a matte lipstick and then a gloss, and it retails for $28. I haven't heard of Vermillion Cosmetics before. It definitely reminds me of Pokemon. I'm on the road to Vermillion City. Let's do a swatch. This is a beautiful lipstick. It looks like it might be a little bit more metallic. Oh yeah, it is a beautiful metallic red. I'm not the biggest on metallics, but girl, that color is gorgeous. And then a clear gloss. Can't go wrong with a clear gloss. Yep, I swatched a clear gloss on my hand. How about that? And that is what the two look like swatched. It seems to be drying down quite nice. I have lipstick on already. It is a KYLIE lipstick too. Gasp. But it's such a pretty like nude color for me. And it's in her bullet lipstick form. I actually really like it. Definitely excited for this. I really like the color that I got. Can't complain on that. It would have been a great color for Valentine's Day. And I think it can go with a lot of different looks, whether it is a neutral, smoky eye, maybe some colorful. So it's a very versatile shade. And a Vermillion Cosmetics Hyualaronic Lip Hydration Mask. You know, your girl could use a lip hydration mask. My lips be dry as hell. So I definitely am gonna give this a shot at some point. This is what my lips look like when I use a plumping gloss and I have an allergic reaction. I'm gonna look like a cheap fish from Mario with that on. There's still more. We have a GLITZGLAM glitter. These are eye, lip, skin, and nail safe. And this is the shade Glisten. I always forget to talk about the subscription box. GLITZGLAM is $15 a month. You also pay for shipping. So I think it evens out to being about $17 in total a month. And every box includes a glitter and a pair of lashes, and I definitely love this subscription to get a pair of lashes every single month. It's a great way for me to build up my lash collection, and then they're double the glam, triple the glam, quadruple the glam. I love those as well. Most of the items that you add on are between $5 to $12. It varies by which product that you're getting. So this glitter looks very pretty. I don't really use glitter for my eyes. I think it would be great to try it with nails if I actually painted my nails, which I'm very bad about keeping up. And I love the little container that it's in. And we got two more products. Ooh, we have a SAUCEBOX Cosmetics. I don't think I've tried them before. Is this like a single eyeshadow? Oh wow, that is gorgeous. This is the shade Ornament. This retails for $12. It's a jumbo single shadow, and then the glitter retails for $5.99. I would love to put that all over the crease in my lid, and let's swatch it. Oh, that's so creamy. Oh, look at the pigment. I love that shade. It is gorgeous. You know, I think it's almost time to put a Shop Miss A order in because I need another magnetic eyeshadow case. After depotting my Butter London shimmers, I have ran out of space on all of my existing magnetic palettes, and there's another palette I really want to depot as well. There's like a little bit of staining on my hand right here from that liquid lipstick that we swatched, so I hope that it has great payoff. Oh, and I forgot to talk about the lip mask. It retails for $2.50. And then the last product I got by Dainty Cosmetics, and these are in the style San Diego. Look how pretty those are. I know they are a little bit more on the dramatic side for me because it actually makes it look like I have lashes. So I am so excited to try these. This was GLITZGLAM. It gets a little bit better because I have this as well from them. And it's because I doubled the glam, but it did not come in my initial package. And their customer service was awesome. I emailed them. I was having issues attaching a photo in my Gmail to send to customer service, but they were able to confirm that my package did not have what I added on based off the weight. That was awesome on their part. The email turnaround was like that. And they emailed me saying, so sorry, we're going to send you out your Double the Glam replacement immediately, and we're also going to throw in an extra item for your troubles. That was so nice of them. I'm going to show you what I added on and my bonus item. Oh, I'm already opening up my bonus item. This is by Gourmande Girls. And is this a liquid lipstick? I have learned about so many cool brands from GLITZGLAM. It's a little bit more refreshing. I just feel like all the mainstream brands are just bam, 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 bam with releases, and overwhelming, kind of fatigued with some of it. Definitely been enjoying a subscription like this for that reason. Oh wow, this is a pretty shade. Ooh, I love that. That is what it looks like, and it's shade number 12. I think that's what actually looked really nice with the eye look that I have on today. So I'm excited to see how this wears on the lips. It felt really nice to the swatch. And then, what did I double the glam with? Nice and packaged, just make sure that it doesn't get busted. My sleeve got really excited and it kind of smeared my swatch, so I'm already going to just take it off, but it looks like it's gonna have some good staying power. So I doubled the glam with the Gourmande Girls Chocolate 10 eyeshadow palette, and it's a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Look at these shades. How gorgeous are these? I know it's a little bit on the more neutral side, and I probably have shades like this, but I just thought that this palette was just so pretty and that I could get a lot of use out of it. That matte black is just stunning. Now, I haven't decided if I'm just going to keep this for myself or put it in a giveaway, and I just thought it was a gorgeous palette to be able to share with one of you guys, so I'm not going to swatch it. They also included a cute little note. It says, GLITZGLAMBOX, your extra glam add-ons items are here, and then it talks about the double the glam of the chocolate bar palette, and now it says, bonus gift, sorry for the delay, Gourmande Girls liquid lipstick, and my name, Amanda, with a smiley face. Thank you so much to GLITZGLAM for that bonus item. That was super sweet. Keep up the amazing customer service. It goes a long way. This is my GLITZGLAMBOX for February 2020. What do you guys think? Do you guys get GLITZGLAM? And if you do, did you guys get the same items as me, or was there a variation? And did you double, triple, or quadruple the glam? Love to know your thoughts on what you got and how are the products working out for you. And I also have my monthly giveaway currently open right now. If you've already subscribed and entered that giveaway, don't forget to comment on this video for your additional bonus entry. And if you haven't entered yet, go on ahead and subscribe, and there will be a link in the description box to the video of all the other rules how to enter. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.